In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that many teams rely on to stay organized and productive. One of its standout features is the ability to use tags to better categorize and manage tasks. Whether you're tracking progress on a project or simply organizing your daily to-do lists, tags can help streamline your workflow. First, let's head over to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and log into your ClickUp account. If you're not yet familiar, ClickUp is a powerful tool that offers a myriad of functions designed to enhance productivity and team collaboration. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard where your workspaces and tasks are displayed. Next, you'll want to navigate to the space that contains the task or project you're working on. In ClickUp, spaces are top-level folders where you can categorize all your tasks, lists, and folders. Clicking into the correct space will bring up a list of related tasks and projects. This is where you'll be able to manage how you categorize tasks using tags. Now, within your chosen space, locate the specific task or list you wish to manage. Click on it to open up further details. This is where you will see options related to the task, including assignments, due dates, and most importantly for us, tags. Tags are particularly useful because they allow you to apply custom labels to tasks, which makes them easier to filter and organize later on. With the task or list open, look for the tag icon. This should be somewhere in the task details area. Clicking on the tag icon will open the tag editing mode, where you can add, edit, or remove tags to suit your needs. When adding a new tag, think about what terms are most descriptive of the task, such as priority level, department, project phase, or team member responsible. You may add as many tags as you need, and remember, the more relevant the tags, the more effective they will be for filtering tasks in the future. To update a tag, click into the existing tags and make your adjustments. This flexibility allows you to easily adapt to changes in project scope or priorities. Removing a tag is simple too. Just click the X next to the tag you want to delete. So that's it. By incorporating tags within ClickUp, you can significantly enhance your ability to sort through tasks, prioritize your workload, and keep your projects moving smoothly. Tags are an invaluable tool to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, helping you and your team stay on top of your game. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing with ClickUp.